And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, after being in the grips of winter really since mid-December around here, we're going to see a little burst of spring. Much warmer and windy weather, especially as we get into the weekend here, end of the week that is. With two waves of rain, one getting in here Thursday, perhaps part of Friday, then yet another Saturday. And in that 3-day period, we can end up with anywhere from 1 to perhaps nearly 2 inches of rain in the viewing area. And then after that, we revert back to the colder, snowier weather pattern. We are just now leaving with the potential of some accumulating snow as we get into the early part of next week. We'll talk more about that in a few minutes. But tonight, though, cut the numbers just a hair in our central and eastern counties after noticing the temp trend this evening. But with a light south wind and some high thin cirrus, we won't fall much more. 22 Lafayette, 20 at Frankfort, 19 for the low Burlington, 20 at Peru, and 24 is westward here at Rensselaer, up towards Wheatfield, DeMott, Fowler, southward to the 24 at Covington. Now tomorrow, quite a bit of sunshine, at least some high thin cirrus clouds, a nice south wind adding a bit of an edge to the air, but still not bad with 40 at Frankfort, 41 at Lafayette, 42 Pine Village, 38 Winnemac. I can already see the line of cars at the car wash with all that nastiness, the salt and the dirt on the cars after this snow we've had around for a while. 43 Logansport on Wednesday with a thickening cloud cover. Sun gradually dimming, 46 Lafayette Romney and 49 at Covington. Storm 1 is right there. Doesn't look like much. A little upper low spinning, but boy, once it moves into Texas and eventually in the northern Gulf, just rain will blossom and storms will blossom everywhere. That storm will affect us as we get into Thursday, Friday. The Saturday storm is still up here in the Pacific Northwest, moving southward, and that'll bring quite a bit of rain to us again once we get into the weekend. So notice the thicker clouds still down to the south. These will not get here until once we get into later Wednesday and Thursday. This is Wednesday at 9 a.m. and notice the trend, the thick cloud cover gradually working its way northward and that rain gradually approaching from the southwest. Again, looking at the new data, still looks like a storm track through central Illinois. Rain Thursday and a part of Friday. Saturday, perhaps a little thunder around here. A storm with a similar track, but it will have a little more snow with it on the backside. And then after that, it'll start to cool off. There's the 1 to 2 inch rainfall potential for our area between the two systems. 1.5 inches, 3/4 down south. Lafayette area up to Fowler, perhaps 1.5 inches in a few places. And then we watch early next week. Storm coming out of the northern Gulf, but it's going to pass a little farther to the east. It's going to have cold air, so some snow possible. We'll have more on that in the coming days. There's the rain coming in Thursday. Tends to taper down somewhat Friday, but still pretty warm. 58 rain, a little thunder on Saturday, and then we cool off. 32 Sunday, 26 Monday. The foundation will be laid for some snow once we get into right around next Tuesday-ish around here.
Okay, so even though we're feeling those warmer temperatures, don't get used to it.
Oh, no, soak up the 58 even if it's raining on Saturday.
Okay, good deal. And Mike is in with sports.
Yeah, hi, Brittany. Hi, Chad. We'll talk college basketball. We'll hear from Purdue basketball.